All right, so let's continue our conceptual discussion on Gauss law. Now we know in Gauss law, the way we look at the relationship between electric field and Coulomb's law is just the reverse of the way we look at it from Coulomb's law. So in Gauss law, we are focusing on knowledge of electric field pattern, and using that, we are trying to arrive at how much charge was there. So let's look into this situation where you have a cuboid which I have shown, and it encloses a charge, but we don't know how, what is a charge. So the way we do this is we bring a test charge around this cuboid, and we measure the force experienced by the test charge, and we calculate the electric field, which is F by Q, at all the positions around the cuboid. I have shown some locations. These could be as many as you want to, and we see a peculiar pattern of electric field emerging. And with the knowledge we have in the past, we are confident in saying that this electric field pattern is because of a single charge, a single positive charge, because electric field is moving away from the charge. So I'll talk more about this pattern in my next video. Thank you.